everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, and I'm thrilled to be with my good friend Tom, you guys know him, of Providence Homes by Bill Seller. And we're here in the beautiful community of Pioneer Village at Crosswater. It's our hottest and brand new neighborhood here in Nocatee. Tom, thanks for having us.
Oh, it's an exciting day, and I can't wait to show you this new home of ours. It's the Gilchrist. It's one of our brand new designs for our 50-foot width home sites.
So brand new design. So that means Providence hasn't built this before in Nocatee.
This is the first, absolutely. This is the first. We have 5 other plans, but this is our largest of the group. It's 2,747 square feet. It starts off as a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, but imagine you can actually get it up to 5 bedrooms and 4 baths and still be under $450,000.
Okay, that's incredible. So let's see how we're gonna make that work as we walk in, because those numbers you just gave us, that's a winner.
So right off the start, to your right, this is what we call our flex room, and it would be the 5th bedroom.
So right here in the front could be a 5th bedroom. Otherwise, this is your flex space. I see Providence made it an office, which is beautiful.
Right.
Nice size, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
And
then as you come down here, this is our powder room, and this would be transformed into a full bath.
Okay, so if it's a 5th bedroom, we can make this into a full bath, just changing obviously the space, moving
Correct.
walls a little bit. And that's another thing with Providence Homes, they will make your dream home. Just tell Tom exactly what you're looking for, and he'll make sure this design works for you.
Absolutely.
So let's not go upstairs yet, because I want to go into this main living space.
Wait until you see this area in here.
Look at this.
When we had our grand opening, this feature in here with the vaulted ceiling, people could not believe it. They were so excited. It's new to the industry. People raved about it, and we really think that this is going to be something that people include in this, and we do offer it in some of the other plans as well.
Great, because vaulted ceilings is something people come in the Welcome Center and ask us which builders do that. So I'm thrilled that Providence Homes is providing that, and also that you don't just have to get the Gilchrist. Tom just said they're going to offer it in some other floor plans, so do ask him about that. Carly, can we walk into this kitchen? Because I want you to walk actually through this way, because this is incredible. Love the countertops. This is something different, by the way.
This is the new waterfall look that's very popular right now. And one of the things since the last time we talked that we've implemented is each floor plan is going to have 2, 3, 4 different island configurations.
I like that.
That's brand new for us, so we're real excited about that. This does feature our Gourmet Kitchen, which is the cooktop. As you know, we always vent everything out because clean air in the house is something that we're very particular about.
That's right, because also don't forget, Providence Homes is Energy Star.
Right, exactly.
And we're going to
And
see
then
that
check out
upstairs.
this pantry off to the right.
Okay, let's look. A real walk-in pantry.
A real walk-in
That's a
pantry.
real walk-in pantry. I love the size of that. And this kitchen is such a great size, and I love that, Tom, you just said you offer different island choices, because not everybody wants, for example, this look.
Correct.
So I like that you offer different things. Of course, the huge farm sink, which is great. So this is a great entertaining home.
Yes.
But now let's go into this open living area, because look at this dining room table. And so you could make this as formal as you want, but as casual, but it just flows so everybody is in the same space. The kitchen, the eating area, and of course your TV area, your sitting area.
And we have a 6-seat dining room table, but you can see easily you could put a leaf in there and get 8 people plus at the bar. So you could do some real nice holiday entertaining in this house as well.
And real quick, Carmen, can you peek in? I just want to just not let this go, because right off the garage, a great drop space. And it is a really nice space, so I just wanted to point that out. Okay, I want to go outside, because when Tom showed me the backyard, I said, really? I thought Providence, I had some favorite floor plans of theirs, but this particular one, I have to say, is now one of my favorites.
Here we go.
Again, Pioneer Village, y'all. Pioneer
this will
Village.
give you an idea of
This is
some
your backyard.
things that you can do.
I mean, this is
we offer the
incredible.
fireplace, TV on the wall up there. You can see the hookups. But one of the things that we are very excited about is the size of these home sites. this house
Here, let's go.
does have room, and we have plenty of home sites in here that you could actually do a swimming pool.
I mean, look,
Wow.
you guys.
50
Look.
foot.
I mean, this is still going. Still going.
Come back!
Come back, Heather.
Pioneer Village at Crosswater.
Come back, Heather.
I could have a massive pool, but also if I just have a dog, running the dog, kids
Right.
play.
Right.
But look at that. I have a covered lanai. I could sit out here during the thunderstorms of the summer months. You know, this is incredible.
Yeah, it is.
This neighborhood really is one of the winners here. I mean, I can't get over. Y'all are gonna sell out quickly for
Well,
sure.
sales have been very good since
Yes.
we just grand opened a couple weeks ago.
I know. Just like 2 weeks ago was the big public grand opening.
Right.
And of course, everybody was talking about this Gilchrist
Yep.
model. So,
Yeah. So, Carling, I did want to just mention
Yep.
these windows right here to your left. We have a couple of options. We can do a triple slider, or we can do a big 5 foot wide fixed glass with the 2 windows on the side, which would just bring more light into to this area.
and there is already a lot of natural light. So again, love that you have different options. So that's another thing is this is not cookie cutter. Every neighbor is not going to look the same.
Sure.
Every Gilchrist house is not going to look the same, which again, we love. And we tell people all the time, just tell Tom, tell the site agents what you're looking for, and they will make it happen. Look at this laundry room.
Centrally located,
Oh my
easy to
gosh.
get to,
So big.
but far enough away from the rooms that when the washer and dryer are running, it's going to be quiet.
Yes, I love that. And I love this owner suite. This is
It's-
so beautiful.
It's huge.
Your decorator did such a good job.
She's been with the company for 28 years.
Yeah, I can see why.
She does a good job.
She does a great job. But again, windows in this room, but I love the placement of it. So the bed, for example, this is a king size bed, you know, right in the dead center of these 2 windows. It
Right.
just looks so beautiful.
Right, and you can see, I mean, you've got room for dressers, you know, I mean, another dresser over there.
Lots of space.
It's got a tremendous amount of space.
Lots of space. And of course, we know we love the bathrooms in here.
A fun bathroom.
I'm sure there's a gigantic shower. That's the thing with Providence homes. They always have the big showers.
Party showers.
The party
Here
showers.
we go.
And then of course a great, nice sized closet. As Carlin's showing this, I want to talk about Pioneer Village and the location and why I think it's so special. So Pioneer Village is right down the road from what's called the Nocatee Landing Trail. This is a magnificent 2-mile in length road, but it takes our homeowners on golf cart. You can walk or you can bike. You can go to the Intracoastal Waterway. So for homeowners down here in Crosswater to literally be 2 miles from the Intracoastal, it's such a treat. They go down there, they can go fishing, kayak, canoe, paddleboarding. There's bathrooms down there. I've seen people do their holiday card pictures down there. It's just been such a hit. But also Pioneer Village is, I wish I had done the mileage, but I feel like maybe 1/4 mile at the most from your monument sign to Crosswater Park. Crosswater Park is the newest pool with lap lanes, dog park, playground, green space, restrooms again. And what this area is, it's for all Nocatee residents, but of course it benefits the residents down here in the Crosswater collection the most because it's the closest to them.
Right.
But with Pioneer Village, you're on the same side of the road. Here, Carly, I'll let you go up as we keep talking. You're on the same side of the road. So if you have kids, for example, they can leave your community staying on the sidewalk and you can say, hey, I'll meet you at the pool because you're not crossing any major roads. So again, such a just delight. And last but not least, I want to remind people that the Crosswater collection is really the hottest new area of Nocatee. It's less than 2 years old overall. So to have Pioneer Village join the already magnificent collections, we're super excited about.
And don't forget the paddle
That's what I
launch.
was talking about.
It's straight down,
That's
just
what I was
straight
talking
down the
about,
road.
2
Just
miles
straight
away.
down the road, yeah.
I know. I ride my bike there all the time because it is just magnificent.
There's a lot going on out here right now.
So look at this. So we've got 3 full bedrooms up here. So talk to me about this space because we've got a lot of bathrooms too going on.
So we've got a lot of big walk-in closets. We've got, so the original configuration would be the 3 bedrooms with 1 bath. And what we have in this particular one is this becomes more of a private suite. And we have added a bath in here and this is where we would pick up that fourth bathroom to make it a 5-4.
Got it. And so this is nice. So with this particular room, you've got the bathroom in here. Otherwise, you've got 2 other bedrooms. By the way, a walk-in closet, which I know Carlene didn't get to show, but there's just so much to see in this amazing
There really
model.
is.
But we've got another full bath up here. So plenty. So if you have, whether it's multiple kids or you have guests visiting, and you want them to have their own space, this second floor is for them.
Correct. And it's a little thing, but I always mention that in most of our secondary baths, it's called compartmentalized bathrooms. Basically what that means is there's a door going into the shower and the toilet. So if you have some kids, somebody can be taking a shower, somebody could be brushing their teeth, and it just gives them a little bit of privacy.
I wish all builders did that,
Yeah.
because that is actually genius.
Yeah.
Because you also wonder if you have a boy and a girl.
Exactly.
So now they
Exactly.
can be separate but yet use that same
Right.
space. And we did just walk through this, but this is a beautiful loft area. So they're using it in this model as a TV room, but if you do have children, this could be their gaming area. And if you're just adults wanting to live here, this would be a cool, I could see a little bourbon bar up here, wine bar. I mean, this is really cool
Yes.
up here.
Yeah.
And lots of space again.
Yes.
And I love, I think this is just beautiful because this gives you that natural light with this window way in that
Yep.
corner, if you can show that.
Yep.
But I do, and the half wall, I just love this open space. So I know this is just so much with the Gilchrist.
I know.
mean, it's like,
It's a really
okay,
an amazing home.
I'm beyond excited because, like Tom said, this is brand new to Providence Homes by Bill Seller. You guys love Providence Homes. They've been in Nocatee forever, it seems like. So you need to come see my good friend Tom. You guys know him from our videos, but Pioneer Village right now is my favorite. So
Yeah.
I'm glad you're the site agent
It's the
down
place
here.
to be.
Oh man, winner. All right, bye guys.
See ya. Bye.